no, but beside that, Onela was rude. We're gonna get down into that. We start off good. We start off good at first. 3,000 people upon the live and see the grand finale. The first start off. It was very pleasantly. It was nice. The food ready. The food ready, we eat the food. You video the food. Mr. Rocky man, I'm a food, we can't bother about a video in. You take picture of the food, you video the food, whatever you. Right? We did it. You said to me that you want to people see you eat your food too. Mr. T said, go on live on your phone, then you click it. When that not nothing to do with me, but it was so embarrassing. Because I saw the whole around, I saw a bumbo clot stay. You click your blood clot live and you add Derek on the platform for class, man. I'm slung a class for hours. First, you said they're going to add him and I explained to him that they're going to take him out today. I say, okay then. You add him and him start. Rosalie big and stink and she fuck this and she hunger, she shit up herself and she want to sell pussy girl and she this and she that. How much in 1,000? How much 6,500K? 1,000 what a people. And in their class, where you write you say. Where you write you blood clot say. You talk about embarrassing. Well, that wasn't embarrassing. Oh. So I get it. Me, for social media, I have no shame. No notice, you know? And as Angela always tell me this blood clot. Angela tell me, Munchi tell me, and the girl them come and so cheer for me, house look at me and tell me. It's so when them do the things, it's no problem. But when you react, and me are the biggest issue. You got your home, me have no home training, and that's how I put them stay. And this, okay. You add Derek, you add him for your platform a class me for more than 15 blood clot minutes. And now you don't look on Derek and say, stop. Derek, I'm not going to allow you to diss Rosalie like that. Just start to laugh. Oh. So me must feel some type of way, but you don't feel no way. The world does not go that way, right? You. Even when Raikou gone and the life end, him still start back him live. I run a back. I tell the people, I say, oh, I never wanted to go nowhere with Onela. You said something, I think him said, him whisper and I'm short, I say, Onela is a fucking idiot. You whisper in your throat and say, Onela is a fucking idiot. And she sit inside of you. And that's why she say you're a batty man. Now, so on the step on social media. Every action cause a reaction. If you is big enough to know where you went wrong, you can say, okay, I know where I went wrong. Nobody not perfect. What you mean by? And that's all I'm not gonna like me, I not fucking care. Alright, side of the girl, they diss the girl. Alright, side of the girl, you diss the girl. You mumble something underneath your throat. I never hear what you say, but she hear what you say. In her neck back. The throw slump on the same bench. Me hear when him say something in the people, I swear to God now. But me I say, me not go to Rocky, what you say about Onela again? But she hear him. So she say, okay then, when the people must say, you're batty man. Ray. We're not going to talk about, oh, Onela disrespect, right, blood clot you. Like, right, you're not big enough man to know where my blood clot do. Don't compete and compare nobody to blood clot Z. Because you never try to disrespect Z any at all. J morning. Don't come compete and compare Z with nobody. Because trust me, right, you say if you didn't add Z, If you add somebody for class D, Z, and tell Z how Z a sodomite, and dip up underneath blood clad Z, it would be a one different clad blood clad fish. So don't play, don't sit down and act. A big man like you. A big man like you was sit down over here in the interview. Don't sit on TikTok and don't act like you're not fucking messy. Get the fuck out of here. Don't sit here and act like you're not fucking messy. You're messy as hell. And don't compete that I am a foreigner, you're Jamaican. You're very fucking messy. That's what it is. Don't come tell me, don't tell me shit. You're messy. Why the fuck you gonna, me and Derek cannot get along? From the moment you add me, you know a straight class. Me and Derek will never get along. And you know this. And from the moment you add him right you know him a go class. And you add him their class me for more than 10 minutes. So nobody respect my feelings and how I feel. You're messy. You're messy. Don't care if you were embarrassed. I felt that way. Don't care if you were embarrassed. I felt that motherfucking way. And let me tell you a bit. Let me tell you about Gemini. You embarrass we gonna embarrass you. So it's embarrass to embarrass. Don't come internet come throw shades and oh I felt some type of way and wait. You were laughing all along when we were in the car. You say, oh my God, so be some type of way, and you were laughing. You said give them something to talk about. So why you go and fucking add your life and add to it? You're fake. You are the fake one. Because if you know the people on TikTok gonna say, even if you say you don't care what they want to say, you care. Because the moment you left from Toronto, Canada, and come to Jamaica, I hang out with blood clot, they're gonna say you're a batty man. So you tell me say you don't care, but in a one Netherlands you do care. Get the priority straight. I don't know who you are trying to trick. But when you can trick the media, you can't trick me. You understand what I say? You said we would upon the toll say, Lord God, we'll be a bad, First of all, unless say, oh my God, we'll be really messy. I like I don't care. And you turn and said, oh my God, so we'll be a bad for true. And you were laughing. And then he said, anyway, we're gonna give them something to talk about. So we come last night with. Oh, you so ashamed? So when Derek, we had Derek and Derek class me, I just so long I enjoy it. How did I feel? Yes. But if you know so regular me and Derek argue, why the fuck you at Derek on the live? Why the fuck you at Derek on the live for class me in a public space where we're eating? Suppose I did exploded back then. Well, that's some embarrass you. So it's two-way. And I can't escape it, I realize when it comes to me, that's why I don't go out with them. Not care, not gathering, not going with TikTok, I'm staying in my yard, I'm staying in my lane. I don't go out with them. I'm perfectly fine where I'm at. I don't mix and I don't mingle. Marsha, answerable. What we need Jesus. I couldn't meet one. You need Jesus, go and find him. Onella had mackerel and I told her to take her off. What did she do? Onella had mackerel and I told Onella to take her off. What did Onella did? All I wanna watch, you know, all even the hypocrite them I watch. Onella had mackerel. I say, Onella, this not gonna work out, you know. What mackerel they do? Mackerel, me so come. More to the answer me. Mackerel can't bring me down. Me not blind. I'm not blind. I'm not blind. I'm not blind. I'm not visually impaired. I'm not blind. Mackerel can never bring me down. Mackerel want me enough in an argument because she look coins. That's the way Mackerel look coins. Them Empress did carry out me. Did carry out me and Jaden. Me and Jaden can't forget his birthday.
No way.
Lock the door now. I remember one time one woman did come and carry out me and Jaden. And when we done order, and the bill come up to a certain amount of money. When the woman reach back her Airbnb, the woman go in her blood clot house and take up by the 10,000 and give me it. And so Rosealee, by right, I was the one. So sorry about that. I was the one that was supposed to pay the bill because I'm the one who invited you out. Black some of the shitty pussy girl in fire so. So when I go say, I could have paid my own bill. That not nothing to do with me. What do I go type blood clot? Say like, me not like some money, you know, me not like to on social media. I don't like to lick. No, you give and to other feelings too. Who that? Who that?
I'm by the crib near them and drink one, right?
Where them there? Yeah, show this. Look up them there, all of them there. We go buy the crib near them.
I'm ready to buy what's and come back.
Where money? We want a cigarette now.
No,
You can't add blood clot there because I expect to come play a victim like you. In no simple ways that. So you're a pretender. Don't compete and compare me with no blood clot. Sometimes I can't blood clot, but I know. Don't compete and compare me with no blood clot body on TikTok. I don't want to be a sweet soul. But we're not gonna go out and you add people to style me and expect so you're not gonna feel some type of way. Me guarantee a man that me's not that type of girl. You make me feel a way matrix we are go. A victim you play like you. And you come on the live and I talk about and OZ and Z and Z and Z and Z, such a nice soul. And Z, such a nice person. Z is a nice person, and I'm like you try compete and compare people with people. You never did add blood clot Z, and you're awful, yeah. Let me not see the screen a card. But you never did add Z for Derek class Z and tell Z that they are sodomite. You say if you did add Z and Derek did class Z and tell Z that they are sodomite, I would have one different kettle of blood clot fish. We don't know who to play with. I'm gonna nice man social media. No live to learn. Oh, wanna make me afraid of all the one over there foreign to my afraid of. I'm afraid of Jamaicans, I'm afraid of foreigner too. Well, yeah, you never had blood clot Z. You never had Derek for class Z. When you see the out, you had the body for class, blood class, zero IQ. No, me ask you like something, you're there, like when you're there and you like to type. When you and Z did out, and she's such a sweet soul, and Z would never do that. I mean, her can ban. Did you add anybody to disrespect the or bring her down? It's a question, right, you? Since you got your degrees and your diplomacies and bullshit. And through me an idiot. You there so attack. You didn't add nobody for class, sir. Like how you have your degree, your diplomacy and all of this and all of that. And you have your intelligence to them. Did you had nobody to class Z? Since you got feelings and I don't.
Yo, cigarette in the bunches.
So we buy them and put them on what the fuck not gonna know with them blood clot. Them have blood clot psychic. You had Derek for class me. Look how we that go on so well. Why you never know so say it still. Yeah, me never know. Me not add him a blood clot. Not here. Right you I never know so say it blood clot still. Unless the God you trick me. Me not add him. I never know such a right you did blood clots. They be not adding a right you. Not here. We'll start your own life. You will get sympathy from the wicked hard people. I never know so I said it still right you. I never know you were this type of person. Thank you for showing me your true colors. Yeah. After you look at me and tell me say, after you look at me like the car and tell me say what upon the toll, you're gonna give them something to talk about. You still compare your life, you click your life, and I'm still gonna compete and compare who are this and who are that. Right, you I never know that, but me not care neither, you know me not care. I don't care what you want to bring in the atmosphere about me. I don't really care. My people are crying, we are living in a... I don't care what you want to bring in the atmosphere about me. And I alone do it, none of them do it for you. Remember saying no, all of my enemies, them and my friend are right you, so wouldn't surprise you that spice my blood clot drinks. Yeah, all of my enemy, me a friend. You and Shay, them a friend. You and Derek a friend. You and Miss Ding a friend. Yeah, Roger was friend. Roger was one of my enemy one at a time. Yeah, all of them a friend and he keep I want to come for your fucking talent blood clot show. I mean the people them is not friend. I mean I tell you right you, me now blood clot come come. I mean the people them is not me superior. Me now blood clot come come. I mean the people them is not blood clot friend. All I want to fuck up all the year become by day. All I want to fuck up when they cannot be trusted. So I just teach myself to stay far from Uno. I don't need nobody but me and the two people that I throw two gifts. Panya. And that's all I need. Me and the two people them we are throw two blood clot gifts by you. I mean, I need nobody else. Because someone cannot be blood clot trusted. And big people not slung and pencil out what caused all of the argument, what caused this, what caused it. You pick on a side and talk about, oh, right, you was ashamed, right, you was this. So when my followers and my viewers them slung and say, oh, you are there for slaughter me, down, it's okay and it's fine. But I write a block as we go along the blood clot way. Yeah. Some I want to go and now because I don't take the live. I get heavy. Some I want to go and now. Because everyone want to come and say Rosealee just come and hear the blood clot saga. I'm not do this, I beg me come for beg.